Hello, this is Sean, and I'll be presenting my MMS145 project. Three common network problems and their solutions. So, what are the problems to be tackled? Number one, unresponsive or slow website. Number two, physical layer problem. And three, cannot connect to a network or Wi Fi. So, for the first one, unresponsive or slow website. So sometimes a website that you visit may become unresponsive or it loads very slowly. And internet problem is not the problem if it only persists on a certain website. So first thing that you need to do is need to check the ping of the website using your command prompt or terminal. You just type in ping space and then the website or the IP address that you want to check. So for if it's a big number, that means your network takes more time to load that website. You may also check your firewall settings of your computer or router, whether you have access to that website. You may also change your DNS settings if you're experiencing selective browsing. And then if these steps doesn't fix the problem, you may check certain websites like Down for Everyone or justme.com and check if that certain website is down or not. You just type in your website and then you check if it's down or not. So number two, physical layer problem. So there is no internet connectivity due to a physical problem like cables, routers, and location of the device being used. So first thing that you need to do is check your LAN cables. If they are properly connected to your computer or router, make sure that they are not worn, broken, or defective. Make sure that the modem or DSL is connected to the internet port or the WAN port of your router and not to the LAN. So for the third problem, it's cannot connect to a network or Wi-Fi. So after fixing the physical layer problem, but you still do not have a connection. So there are a certain number of problems that causes this. So there's MAC address filtering of your router, conflicting IP address assignment. You are too far from the router, incorrect router password, or outdated firmware. So for the MAC address filtering, you need to connect to your router via LAN cable, and you need to change the MAC address filtering of your router, and you need to check at the back of your router to access its router IP address. Usually it starts with 192.168 and it differs from brand to brand. And you need to make sure that you include your MAC address on the permitted MAC addresses to access to the Wi-Fi. For the conflicting IP address assignment, you may use your computer's DHCP settings to change your IP address, or you can also use the command prompt or terminal of your computer and type in ipconfig and release or renew your IP address by typing ipconfig/renew or release to get a different IP address. So this third one is you are too far from the router. So you need to move to your router's location where everyone can access it. You may opt to place it in the middle of your house to maximize its reach. As much as possible, place your router on an open area as walls and other things can decrease your router's reach. incorrect router password. You have to make sure that you have the correct Wi-Fi password to be properly connected. This is because some people change their Wi-Fi password from time to time, and that will affect your connectivity. And for outdated firmware, you have to make sure that you have the latest firmware for your computer's network card or the Wi-Fi so that it will work properly. So if you have tried all of these steps but the problem still persists,
Hello, IT? Have you tried turning it off and on again? Hello, IT? Have you tried turning it off and on again?
Hello, IT. Yeah, have you tried turning it off and on again?
Hello, IT?
Something's wrong with my computer.
Have you tried turning it off and on again?
No. Oh dear, thanks.
Hello, IT? Have you tried turning it off and on again?
so thanks for watching.